Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. Wanted to show you an upgrade that we did here. The purpose was the guys got a, I think it's a 38-foot Class A coach RV. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's basically a bus. It has a 50 amp hookup and a 30 amp hookup. What made this job a little bit easier is that there's a disconnect out here with the meter. So if I call you and say, hey, where's your meter? Or you call me, we're not looking for a gas meter. We're looking for that electric meter with the round plastic lens. But the disconnect was over there. It was already fed with a 200 amp service over to here. And put in our slip sleeve, put in our panel right here. I'll show you this real quick. Hold on one second. Basically what we installed was just a main 200 amp disconnect, and then we installed a feed-through bus bar into what was the old existing SER into the main sub panel in the garage. Most of them actually trimmed out and they fit pretty perfect. This one right here, the neutral, it didn't, so we had to extend that neutral to here, and then the ground wire we extended up to here as well. And then we had to also ground with our inter-system bonding bridge bar. Article 250.93, Article 250.1552 talks about 2 ground rods. This one was existing, but the other one had to be added 6 foot over, not closer than 6 foot, so we went about 8 feet here and drove this 8 foot deep. And then the number 4 for a 200 amp service came up the side right here, pretty inconspicuous if you want to show them. Turned out really nice. Can't see it. We shoved it down in this crack. He's going to put rocks. When we got in the garage though, boy, you can't see it that well, sorry, but right there, we had to run along the lip, and then we went right over that wall and into the crawl space. So that was about a 150 foot run there. And all in all, what he really needed out of this was a 50 amp normal range plug, 4 wire, 240 volt for his RV, and then a travel trailer plug, 3 wire. So you're gonna have your neutral, hot, ground. You have a hot, hot, neutral, ground. Okay, 30 amp, 50 amp, 240, 110, and this is just your typical 110 right here. So he can go ahead and use this extra hard duty bell cover, and then it's a slinky cover, so that can actually open up like this, or it can open up like this and feed the cord through, or shrink it back. And that was just a standard 110 plug that he needed just to trickle charge his RV as well. Yeah, this took us about a day. Power was off for the house for about 4 hours to get all this retrofitted, and the grounding took another couple hours. So in all, it was about a 7-hour day plus an hour to deal with parts. It's a full day. But as you can see, this is how it all turned out pretty well. Kind of hard when the wires are tight. You know, we didn't want to splice every single one of these to come up so high, but we made them fit just fine, and I think it turned out well. So anyways, guys, we do jobs like that all the time. Let us know if we can help you out. Thanks.